Today I'm going to replace the ignition switch of a 97 Acura CL. The reason why is because I had previously replaced an ignition switch from a 98 Acura CL. But the problem is that it also has some safety features that are not compatible with this 97 Acura. Even though everything works fine, like I'm able to turn on the ignition and right away turn on the engine. There is an open circuit which has the battery. There's a supply of power into the rim that drains the battery. So I'm gonna have to replace it again, so that way with the previous ignition switch until I find another 97 Acura CL switch at the junkyard with the keys, of course, or if I can buy it directly from Honda. But the problem is because there's an open